Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. David and I enjoyed pork a lot. It can be pork chops, tenderloin, ribs, ground pork, and so on. When it comes to tenderloin, I posted so many delicious recipes in the past, like my stuffed pork tenderloin, one with maple mustard, pork tenderloin vitale, and so on. Now, here's another incredible recipe. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my El Diablo pork tenderloin. This dish is so flavorful. It's not overly spicy, but definitely has some kick to it. With a beautiful combination of ingredients, this is certainly a recipe you'll want to make soon. So my friends, let's get cooking. This is our tenderloin where we've already removed the silver skin. So now we'll season it evenly with chipotle chili powder. This will give such a nice smoky flavor to the dish. We'll flip it and season the other side, making sure the old tenderloin is coated. When we're done, we'll move on to the stove. In an oven-proof skillet over high heat, we'll add oil. When it starts shimmering, we'll place the pork tenderloin and sear it until there's a nice crust on it, about 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes. Then we'll flip it and move the pan around so we can get some oil under the meat to prevent it from sticking too much. We'll transfer to a 375-degree preheated oven and cook for 18 to 20 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 140 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll remove from the heat and transfer the pork tenderloin on a cutting board. We'll then place some foil on top, forming a tent, and let it rest for at least 20 minutes while we make the sauce. Alright, so we'll take some paper towels and remove a little fat from the pan, leaving about 1.5 tablespoons. We want to remove some, but not too much, because we'll have to cook other ingredients in it. So we'll set the heat to medium, and when it gets hot, which should take a minute or so, we'll add onions, serrano peppers, and Fresno peppers. We'll saute the vegetables until they soften, about 4 minutes. And while we're at it, we'll scrape the bottom of the pan to dislodge any brown bits. To this, we'll add garlic and saute for only 1 minute before pouring in some chicken broth. This will really help to deglaze the pan completely. So when it gets warm again, we'll add cumin, some tequila, oh yeah, then orange juice, a little bit of agave nectar, and heavy cream. We'll whisk the ingredients very well and cook until the sauce thickens. It usually takes a good 20 minutes. When we get to that consistency, we'll turn off the heat and add 2 tablespoons of butter. Whisk it around, and this will give not only a beautiful shine to the sauce, but also another layer of flavor. When it's well incorporated, we're done, ready to eat. And my friends, this is our El Diablo pork tenderloin. Juicy, tender, and perfectly cooked, this recipe is deliciously different. With a unique combination of ingredients, this isn't an ordinary pork tenderloin. It looks Mexican, it smells Mexican, and it tastes Mexican. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!